It's Pretty Ree. I'm here today. I'm gonna do kind of get ready with me. I don't really know like how to do makeup and talk at the same time yet, so like I don't know if this is gonna be a voiceover or not, but I can talk as much as I like can. I don't know. I'm just let y'all see. Like, y'all just gonna have to. This is not a tutorial. This is a get ready with me. So. Forgot that I was supposed to do this, but I'm doing it. Alright. Chisel that face, girl. Chisel it. highlighter on like I don't have a YouTube video to do. Ugh. My eye color is too light now because I have this dark look. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this brown from the Morphe 35 O Matte palette. With that. Ooh. Maybe too much. So you see the 2 dots, that's gonna be fine. Lashes. So my iPhone ran out of storage. I had to go delete some stuff. Y'all know how that goes. But I finished my makeup. I did my hair. It's in a bun. I put it up right now because I didn't want my edges to like flare up because I know that they are. And y'all see my smile lines? I told y'all I need to put the concealer right there. I should have put some powder right there because they are coming up. But this is my makeup, and when I get up, I am going to show you my outfit. Okay, so this is my outfit. I got this from, well, this blouse I got from Forever 21, and I got this skirt from Fashion Nova, and I got these sandals from Forever 21 as well. And then this is my Aldo bag. It's very cute. And then makeup and hair by me. Yes, yes. But yes, this is my outfit for today. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And tell your friends about Pretty Reed.